Straight into it, I'm going to show you how to dispute a charge off account for free using ChatGPT. So the only thing you need to do is set up an account with ChatGPT if you don't already have one. I'm not going to show you how to do that. It's pretty self-explanatory. Go to chat.openai.com and set up an account. It's very easy to do so. The next thing you want to do is make sure you pull your 3 bureau credit report. So you can do that with Identity IQ. I'm going to link the or I'm going to connect the link below in the description so that you can access your credit report if you don't already have it for just $1, right? So that what you want to do is once you pull your credit report, you want to go to a charge off account specifically, and this is what you want to do. And you can pretty much use this method with any type of account. It doesn't have to be a charge off account. I'm specifically doing a charge off account because that's the example that I have right here. But this is what I want you to do, and this is very simple. This is why this video is not going to take very long. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this account. ChatGPT is already set up. I'm going to actually start here, right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy, I'll start at the top with the account. And I'm going to copy all of this information, right? All of this information down to here. I'm going to copy this. And what we're going to go do, we're going to come to ChatGPT and we're going to say, I'm going to put a command in there. And we're going to tell ChatGPT to create a dispute letter for the following account to be investigated and deleted. And then we're going to paste the information in there that we took from ChatGPT. Now, that's it, right? I'm just trying to go over it just to make sure that I have everything in here correct. Sometimes it's a little off the way it's pasted in, but we'll go ahead and run it and see what we get, right? So as a matter of fact, yeah, so I can say create a dispute letter for the following account to be investigated and deleted. We're going to say based on the inaccurate and incomplete information below, right? Because we want to give it as much of a command that we can, and we want to be as specific as we can, right? So we're gonna just run that and see what we get. All right, so let's go. So it's automatically creating a letter, and it gives you spaces for each of the 3 bureaus. Sometimes it will do that. I didn't ask it to do it for each of the bureaus. I just create a dispute letter for the following account. Nevertheless, let's see, and see what it does. It lists everything that's wrong with the account. So we got the account number here, account type, account detail. It has everything listed: account status, derogatory, TransUnion, and Equifax, closed for Experian, right? So date open, you see how it's showing different dates. So TransUnion and then Experian and Equifax. Then for the high credit amount, we have the same thing for these 2 bureaus. Equifax is showing something different. Same thing with the credit limit. TransUnion and Experian is showing one thing. Equifax is showing something different, and it just lists all the information. So comments, charged off as bad, dismissed, purchased by another lender, account transfer, sold, charged off, right? So it's listing all the things that are basically different between the accounts. Oops, sorry. Right. So, right, upon reviewing my credit reports, I have identified several discrepancies and inaccuracies in the reporting of this account. I believe these inaccuracies are negatively affecting my credit score and financial standing. Here are some specific concerns, right? Inconsistent account status. TransUnion and Equifax report the account as derogatory while Experian reports it as closed, right? Missing account type detail. Right, Equifax does not provide details regarding the account type, leaving the information incomplete and less informative. So what you can do with this information, you don't have to copy this exactly as it is and send it to each of the bureaus. You can do that, right, where you kind of edit this with your name and information. You make a copy of one and create a letter for TransUnion, make a copy of another or you copy it again, make another letter for Experian, copy it again, and make another letter for Equifax, and then you send it to each of the three bureaus concerning this one account. Or you can kind of cherry pick the information, right? Because you don't need to include all of this in your dispute letter, although you can, right? But ChatGPT will put together a dispute letter specifically for you. Your dispute letter might not come out exactly as my dispute letter has on my screen, because I use ChatGPT a lot and it's a learning software. So it learns you as kind of like as you and give it inputs over time. So as you start this process and you start to use ChatGPT for free to do this, it will get to learn, kind of how you like to word things, and it'll word it kind of like you would normally word things. You can also sign up for Credit Coach DIY. This is my DIY software that will do this entire process for you. It's only $39 a month to get started. Again, Credit Coach DIY will analyze your credit report for you. It'll do everything ChatGPT just did and put it in letter form along with all the other accounts for you as well. You won't have to manually input anything. You won't have to copy and paste anything. And again, if you have multiple accounts on your credit report, it will analyze each of the accounts simultaneously and put the letter together for you. I have other tutorial videos on how to use Credit Coach DIY, and that particular software to fix your credit. So if you're interested, all you got to do is click one of the links that is connected below, and you can check out the tutorial video and get started with that. So I hope this video helped you, and you can use some of this information to get, whether it's a charge-off, collection, or whatever type of negative account that it is on your credit report. Use this method using the free app ChatGPT to dispute anything that's on your credit report to get it removed. If not, make sure you sign up for Credit Coach DIY, my online automated dispute software that will do everything for you. Or you can reach out to me and my team, and we'll take a look at your credit report for you, and we'll get the process rolling for you ourselves. All you got to do is set up a discovery call, and we'll, like I said, take a look at everything, analyze it, get back to you with a quote, and get you going and get you started with your credit repair process. So either way you cut it, here with Coach Keem, I'm going to take care of you, whether you want to do it yourself or you need the professional help. All you got to do is reach out. All right. Peace.